You guys ready for a fishing adventure today? Yeah, it's going to have to be fishing because everything I do, probably at least for next week, is going to have to be on low key. Let me explain why. Every year about this time, and every year right from when it gets to be spring, whenever the weather changes dramatically, I probably have arthritis is what it is. My back gets thrown, okay? And right now, it's thrown. This weekend's plans, yes, it's the weekend. That's when I do most of my videos. We was going to do some serious hiking. I was going to revisit the railroad hike, my favorite place. We was going to go somewhere else. We was going to get out and about and enjoy it because the weather's nice and cool. But there's no way in hell I'm going to do this with my back being out. Now when my back goes out like it is, I still do my morning walks, but I cut it down. I do what I can, and I call it a day. It takes anywhere from a week to 2 weeks to get better. So today's going to be low-key, and you ain't going to believe what I'm going to say next. Oh my God. I'm already kicking myself in the butt for it, but it's probably going to be fun. Guess where we're going fishing? Can you guess? Come on. Leave it down in the comments real quick. Can you guess where we're going fishing? The place I said I ain't going back to till next year? Yeah. Let me explain why we're going back to Versailles State Park. And then we get going. I would love to go back to the Ohio River and fish, and especially since we did so well the last 2 times we was there, but we have to carry our stuff in. And not only that, it's a little rough getting back to the fishing hole. Guys, I need to use that wagon. That's what I bought it for. When my back being out, I'm using the wagon. And one of the best places to use the wagon is Versailles State Park. I'm here to tell you, that's total luxury for a fisherman or a fisherwoman. Alright guys, it's a little windy. We're going to be taking hoodies with us. And we're going to go fishing Versailles State Park. At least we're hoping to. We might get out there and decide, we don't want to do it. It's just one of them low-key days. It all depends. All depends. We'll see you out there. We have arrived. It got a bike thing going on up here. As far as down you can see is campers, and yeah, even though there's places to fish over yonder, it's just there's not a parking spot or one up there. Of course they're parking in the grass, but I'm not going to. Well, hopefully my GoPro's on right. We're going to put some bait on, and oh, I just bent over and killed my back even more. We're going to get it out there. Guys, we have not fished here in a month. The weather being cooler, it may make a difference, but we don't care. We're just going to have fun with it today. Doesn't matter if we catch them or not. We're going to spend a lazy, low-key afternoon here in Versailles State Park. I hate doing everything on low-key. I really do. I was so hoping to do some hiking this weekend, but that's okay. Fall is here, and hiking is going to be more and more. You know, but what little bit of times we can fish, we're going to take advantage of it anyway. And we're here to enjoy it, and you have to admit, it is downright beautiful here at Versailles State Park. Now, I'm hoping we catch some carp, because the way the weather conditions are, I'm waiting for it from Ange right now. She's like, I told her I wasn't going to make no predictions, but it looks like I am. But the way the weather conditions been, it's changing a little bit. We might actually start getting some bites, carp bites, or catfish or turtles. Doesn't matter. Okay, while we're waiting for something to bite, I'm going to tell you the pulls I got today. I'm going to show you my setup. I think that's always cool. When I watch other people fish in their fishing videos, I always want to know what their setup is. So here's what my setup is today. Over here on the right side of me, as I'm sitting in the chair, I have dumpster. Yep, that was a bite. You see that? Oh, I guess the setup's going to have to wait, guys. Okay, I was getting bites, and as soon as I was holding my pole ready to try to catch the fish, I think it got my worm. My GoPro decided to die. It does that sometimes. Whenever I'm in the car and I tell the other GoPro to start recording, I don't know what happens. I don't know, maybe the battery's dead. It didn't record anything, but that's okay. That's why I carry extra batteries. But anyway, on this side, right here, that's dumpster. And this is Lucifer. I haven't used Lucifer much this year at all. As a matter of fact, the last time I used Lucifer was here. And as you can see, there's Ange, there's our comfort table, and there's our wagon, and right up yonder's our car. Normally we would have been further down, but you know, with my back being the way it is, we decided to park closer. Guys, I'm going to check bait, and I'll be back when something happens. Trying to zoom in on all these geese, but here they come in.
Way up there.
They're way up there too. Don't know if I'm picking it up. I can't zoom in because I can't see them on the viewfinder, but they're coming in. Are they coming in for a landing? But my God, looking at them all. Holy. I've never seen the geese that high up. Never. That's the first time. Of course, it's mixed with a bunch of other birds up there. You can hear them. There they are. Look at them. Way up there. And I have no idea where they're going. Believe it or not, we're actually getting some decent bites. They're not turtle bites either. You can tell a turtle. I mean, I've caught enough turtles this year, I could tell a turtle bite. It's pretty decent bites, but I ain't caught nothing yet. So, let's keep going. Oh, here we go. If you can hear me with this wind, it's starting to become very difficult. The wind is gusting. And it's extremely hard to fish with the wind gusting. We're getting good bites. But dang it, the heck, we can't keep the wind from messing everything up. That's alright, though. It's alright. Just keep having to adjust my drag, or just to take out the slack. I wonder how hard is it to actually kayak when in the wind. We were supposed to do that this year. Yeah. It didn't happen, did it? What I've been trying to say is it's hard to tell when you're getting the bite when the wind is just gushing in here. Now, I can only videotape when the wind calms down a little bit, but my gosh. Now, if everything works out, the next video should be from Osgood Trails. We're hoping to go out there and do some fishing and have a picnic. But that was definitely a bite on the dough ball. Okay, be back. I just had a big ass bite. It about took my pole in the water, out of the pole holder even. And I was on the dough ball. I'm going right back out. We're sitting there talking, we may be leaving soon, but no, we're not. I have Angie helping me out here. So I'm going back out with the dough ball, and we're fishing. I'm going after that damn fish. This one about took the pole right out of the pole holder and into the water. It bent it all the way down. When I grabbed on it, which is just like that, it let go. It was a big fish, probably a big carp. So yeah, right now the wind stopped, so. Oh hell yeah, guys. Oh hell yeah. This is what fishermen and fisherwomen dream for. That monstrous bite. But it's also good to catch them too. Story of our life, Edge. We get the monster bites, but yet don't get the monster fish. That's the way it's been. Twice at the Ohio River, once here. So, guys, I'm going to stop, and I'm paying attention, as you can tell, because I'm going to give it a little bit longer. Yeah, we was about ready to wrap it up. We was. We was talking about, you know, making plans for Osgood tomorrow. We're going to stay a little longer. But poor Angie, she's got the barber. She ain't getting no bites. Yet. After not fishing here in a month, and I come back and getting a huge bite like that. I've had bites like that before, but never, I'm ducking underneath my pole, never that powerful before. Even the big ones at the Ohio River and once at the Pay Lake, never had one damn near pull it right out of the pole holder. He bent that pole, which is Lucifer, I'll call Lucy for short, all the way down. Man. And then you kind of hate yourself a little bit. You hate yourself. Oh, there's a bite. You kind of hate yourself. Yeah, I'm doing this at the same time as trying to get this bite, guys. Live action, guys. Live action. You kind of hate yourself for not catching them. Yeah. Yeah. I need to put the camera down. Fish. I do. Both my hands are full. I'll be back. What was that you just said?
Pick up the camera and they take advantage of it, and that's when they bite.
And you say that's why I keep missing them.
That's why you keep missing them. Because you have your hand in the camera.
That's what she says.
That's what's happening. When have you missed your bite?
Every time I pick up the camera, like right now. Okay, that will conclude today's fishing here in Versailles State Park. We didn't catch anything, but you know what? It's adventure's adventure. We're on low key today, and we just thought we'd come out here instead. Hopefully the next adventure will be out there at Osgood Trails. I get some more footage out there. I still have my pole out, by the way. Giving it every... Oh, that was me hitting my head on that one. Getting every chance I can. But guys, I'm going to wrap it up, and I give my closing thoughts at the car. I ain't got far to walk to the car. Okay, you ain't gonna believe this. I was running some footage of us breaking down. I still had my pole out there. When I decided to grab my pole and bring it in, I had a fish on. Had a good sized carp on. I'm gonna run that footage in a minute, but damn. Ooh, that hurt my back getting that thing in, but wow. Talking about the last minute catch. Guys, I was literally bringing my pole in and he bit. Let's run that footage now, and when that footage ends, then we end the video. Okay? Wow. Whoo-wee! Last minute catch. GoPro, start. Got him. There he is.
Still recording?
Yeah. Is the light blinking?
Yeah.
Look at this. Didn't even know I had him on there. It's okay, big guy. It's okay. Oh, here we go. Ah. Stay, big guy. Stay, 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 stay. Oh, he's healthy. He's healthy. Oh. Caught you, didn't I? Sure did catch you. There you go. All right, big guy. Go back in. Look at him take off. I probably run some of that footage before I grabbed the pole. So I don't know what I did. I haven't done the editing, obviously, but man. Guys, that's it. It was worth it. We came, we caught the carp. It was worth it. So I can't go home say empty-handed. Well, I released the carp, but we caught something today. Got a pretty good sized carp. Oh man, he was so beautiful. He was so healthy. Alright, we're headed to the store to get some yum-yums for supper, and we'll see you guys on the next adventure. More than likely, it's going to be another low-key, but we're going to try a new place to fish and see what it does. And don't worry, the hiking is coming. Don't worry, the hiking's not gone away. It'll probably be the next series of videos. Right now, we're doing low-key because of my back. We'll see you on the next adventure. Come on, let's get out of here. Man, I can't believe that. Last freaking minute. Oh, I'm pumped. I'm stoked. I'm happy.